Boy, heat warnings, heat advisories from Maine to New Mexico. Again, we haven't seen an extent like that since 2012. And the record high for this date is 100 set in 2012, but also 1954. Two historically very hot summers in the viewing area. And in this hot pattern, you get the ring of fire, right? The big heat dome is here, and on the periphery, storm clusters. There's a severe storm cluster there with a tornado watch. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch for cluster of severe storms developing in Ontario, headed for parts of the northeast. But you can see everything moving up and around this massive ridge. These storm clusters going here, these showers and storms moving westward, and these moving northwestward. Shows you the extent of the heat in the country. So it's not just here, it's pretty much everywhere. As far north as northern Michigan, parts of Canada. 84 by 11 o'clock tonight, mostly clear, a south-southwest wind, but still feeling like the 90s at that point. Our overnight low, just 78 degrees. And that'll do it for pretty much everybody. About 76 to 80 for lows, and heat indices still low to mid 80s overnight. 97 tomorrow, mostly sunny. Not as much wind as today, so it might feel a little bit more stifling tomorrow compared to today. The heat index up around 109, with highs generally 94 to 99 degrees, and the heat index 105 to about 112. Now on Sunday, cold front approaches. Storms by afternoon and early evening. After a high 92, heat index 107, we start to cool off a little bit as the rain cooled air comes in. I think we'll be upgraded to a slight risk of severe weather before it's all said and done. Right now it's marginal, but the main threat would be wind on Sunday, and also the threat for locally heavy rainfall, with highs anywhere from upper 80s northwest to mid 90s in the southeast, because the storm should fire about right here in this zone and then slide southeastward, with heat indices on Sunday from near 100 to as high as 113 down in our south. That's why the excessive heat warning goes until Sunday. So notice these storm clusters. This is Saturday afternoon. You can see these north of us, 1, 2, 3, all in the ring of fire, moving in this direction. This little outflow boundary might get in Saturday night, but it's not going to pop anything. We're too capped in our area. And then we'll watch the outflow boundary from those dying storms come in on Sunday, and watch what happens Sunday early afternoon. As that outflow boundary comes in, I think we're going to start to form a line of storms right here, and that will come through with that severe weather risk. And then after that, it gets a little bit cooler with highs in the 80s, and the humidity drops some too. How about an overnight low of 57 on Monday and Tuesday nights with highs in the 80s, 90 Thursday with an isolated storm or two, and then there's that 82 coming up on Friday. So Jeff, no, it's not a 74, 75 degree day, but I'll take 84, 85.
I'll take a little rainfall on Sunday too. That'd be kind of nice right around now. Okay, much more to come.